Hi there. Welcome to another session of Getting Started with AccelGrid. In this video, we'll talk about the inventory module and how you can use it to manage products and inventory. The inventory dashboard is the first thing you'll notice when navigating the inventory menu. It displays a snapshot of your products and inventory operations. When it comes to inventory management, managing product information is a critical aspect. Let's go ahead and set up a product. We start with the product name and specify whether the product can be sold and purchased. You have an option here to upload an image for the product. Under the General Information tab, you can set up if the product is a storable, consumable, or a service. AccelGrid tracks inventory only for storable type products. Consumables are items you do not want to track inventory, and it is assumed that you always have stock. The service type is typically used for shipping charges or other services that obviously do not need inventory tracking. The product category field is helpful in grouping similar products together and simplifying product management. For example, you can manage tax rates, costing methods, and more at the category level rather than managing these properties on individual products. The SKU field is optional. AccelGrid automatically assigns a SKU if you have an input one. The product barcode goes here and is required if you plan to use barcode scanners or the app. Then we have the default sales price, cost price, and unit of measure fields. Next, we'll switch to the Sales tab to set up the invoicing policy and the sales description. The invoicing policy lets you define if the product should be invoiced based on ordered or shipped quantities. The Purchase tab lets you set up the product's vendors, pricing information, minimum order quantity, and vendor product codes. Then you have the Inventory tab, where you can define the procurement routes for the product. The route determines how the product is replenished. Enable the Buy route if the product is replenished using a purchase order. Enable the Manufacturing route if this is a product you manufacture. If you've enabled the Buy route, ensure you have at least one vendor set up in the Purchase tab. Similarly, if the Manufacturer route is enabled, ensure a BOM is defined for the product. You'll also notice a few quick links at the top of the form that allows you to access everything related to the product: stock moves, purchase and sales history, reordering rules, BOM, and much more.